So, how did you think of getting into it? Such an important prospect of our life.
Just a while ago, before
Yeah,
having said
silence
that,
is the best medicine.
it's very.
When you respond silently, just give a look.
Can you do that again?
How did it come about? What is the title of the show?
It's about being real.
You went under the knife.
I took injections on my face.
Oh God. They
Yeah.
want to go under the knife.
Yes,
They want
yes,
to do a
yes.
lip job. They
Yes.
also want to enhance their boobs, and which you did, and which you threw away. So we have Shalin Chopra. She's been in the industry. She's done it, and she's doing it, and she is still going on and on, a never-ending journey. Let's ask her what is her latest venture. I believe she's doing something great. Let's hear from her only, the horse's mouth.
Thank you so much, Lipika ji, for having me here. What I am currently occupied with is my talk show, which is titled Real and Unapologetic.
Wow.
Like how you said a while ago that you love interacting with people, so do I. I invite people from different walks of life to my talk show and engage in meaningful, soulful, intellectual conversations with them that govern the factors which are responsible for our mental and physical
Very
fitness.
important these days.
Yes.
People are getting into depression.
Yes.
So, how did you think of getting into it? Such an important prospect of our life.
Just a while ago, before we started rolling, you had asked me as to why I used to retaliate to the accusations that were hurled at me in the past. The reason for that was, I would like to say, my lack of awareness about how the mind functions. Generally, when somebody accuses you, you tend to retaliate right then and right there. You tend to give it back. But when we study the mind, we get to understand that it is not always advisable to retaliate. Where does this awareness come from? It comes from the depth of mind, body, soul understanding.
Exactly.
And today, I feel that had I had the knowledge or the awareness that I have today, I would not have retaliated in the past as I had. I would have chosen to not react. I would have chosen to ignore what was said.
Yeah,
Having said
silence
that,
is the best medicine.
it's very powerful.
Yeah, it's very powerful. You
Yes.
get hurt so much when you respond silently. Just give a look and walk away.
Can you do that again? Take two.
Just give a stern look and walk away.
Oh, wow. Indeed. So that is what I have been learning recently, the power of silence and the power of choosing to ignore and choosing to avoid battles which need not be fought.
Exactly.
Having said that, I also believe that there are times when we must take a stand. Yes, but not every time. Not every time do we need to raise our voices and say, no, this is not true. It's a mere accusation. It's all fabrication. No, मैं ऐसी हूँ, मैं वैसी हूँ, ये गलत है, वो गलत है. No, no, no. No need to react. No need to retaliate. When we choose not to engage with people who love drama, we seize their power or their agenda to manipulate us.
Exactly. Yeah. ignorance is bliss.
Absolutely.
But sometimes being ignorant also hurts you, you know.
Absolutely. Yes.
So, anyway, coming back to your show, how did it come about, you know, and what is the title of the show?
It's about being real and unapologetic.
You
I
have
have
been real,
not always.
not always.
I was heavily influenced by social media, as a result of which I wanted to get things done to myself. I had undergone procedures to get several things done to my face.
You went under the knife.
I took injections
Yeah.
on my face
Oh God.
to look different. And I ended up becoming or looking like an alien.
How did it affect you? You know, it's better to share with the readers,
Exactly.
you know, viewers,
Yeah.
because everybody in this show business, they
Yeah.
want to go under the knife.
Yes,
They want
yes,
to do a
yes.
lip job. They
Yes.
also want to enhance their boobs, and which you did, and which you threw away.
Because those heavy implants were killing me. They were killing my backbone. They were causing unnecessary stress. And it was very difficult for me to get along with the business of living. And there came a time when I had to take a firm decision whether to continue with excess baggage or to let go and dump all excess baggage.
Yeah, but why did what made you do all that? You just followed the bandwagon of people watching them, like you wanted to. I mean, you're
Yes.
such an educated person. Whenever I have interacted, I always felt that, yeah, she's such an intelligent person and a mixed breed.
Yeah.
Mom is a Muslim,
Yeah.
dad is a
Dad was a Christian.
Christian,
Yeah.
and mixed breed children are really very intelligent because
Indeed.
biologically, you know,
Yeah.
they have extra Siemens.
Yes.
You know, positive ones. So why did you go under the knife, you know, and would you like to express the feelings exactly? Were you was it difficult to breathe?
Yes, of
What,
course.
and when we getting pinned, you know, injected on
Yeah.
the face, thinking about it, you know,
Yeah.
I'm getting goosebumps.
I'll tell you what, Lipika ji. The way it starts is not drastic. It starts with very subtle suggestions. Hey, your face looks so round. I think you should get it chiseled. You should, get some procedures done so as to make it look chiseled. You know what? You look very international. You think you can look like Angelina Jolie? I think so. I think you should become India's Angelina Jolie. And then these suggestions, subtle suggestions, start playing at the background, in the background of your mind. And you start wondering, oh, really? What would it be like if I could look like India's Angelina Jolie?
Whose
Maybe,
suggestion was this?
all these people whom we interact with on a regular basis, when we visit their offices, when we show our portfolios to them, they say, yeah, the overall body is good, but your bust line is very small. The face is good, but it's very round. Can you make it chiseled?
Would you like to specifically mention
There are
some
so
casting
many. There are so
people
many
or
of them,
directors?
especially casting directors, especially
Anyone latest one?
Why open the Pandora's box? So yeah, that's how it started. And then it starts playing on your mind. It starts playing in the background of your mind. And you start wondering as to how you would look if your face was a little more chiseled, if your bust line was bigger, if your exterior was different, maybe then you would get more appreciation,
More work.
more love, more work, more attention. And that's exactly what happened in my case. There came a point in time when I wanted to become somebody totally different. And a friend of mine suggested that I should explore the cosmetic procedures in Dubai, as they are highly advanced. I said, okay, चलते हैं दुबई. तो वहाँ जाने के बाद एक डॉक्टर ने कहा कि आपका जो चिन है वो थोड़ा और अगर लंबा हो जाए, if it becomes more elongated, you would look like the next Angelina Jolie. Mark my words. और आपके ये जो cheeks हैं, if they become more enhanced, then you would look more chiseled. And he went on and on with his suggestions, and I simply nodded my
Became
head.
a prey.
Yeah, I would just nod my head and say, हाँ करते हैं ना, yes, yes, let's do that, yes, yes, let's go for it.
How young were you then? I mean, you're still young. But
Uh,
now you're wise.
a few years ago, yeah,
Yeah, now you're wise.
wiser, and yeah, more inclined with authenticity.
I know.
So after the procedures got over, I didn't know what to expect post the recovery period. Would I look much more beautiful? Would I look completely different? I just waited. And then when I started doing media interactions, I would get crazy feedback. People on social media would say, oh my God,
She's so
ये
busty.
कैसे क्या हो गई, ये पहले इंसान थी, अब देखो एकदम एलियन लगती
Alien
है,
लगती है.
कहीं ये जादू तो नहीं है, क्रिश फिल्म की जादू तो नहीं है. And I would wonder, oh my God, what did I do? Oh, what a blunder I have made. How do I fix it? So then I approached a few doctors here in India, and I said, you know what? मुझसे बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई. I got several fillers done, and I want to just undo everything which I
So you've
did.
undone everything.
So they said to me, we will try, we will see what best we can dissolve. They said that some fillers tend to get
Deep inside.
penetrated deep inside our tissues. And that makes it very difficult for the doctors to dissolve them. So they said, we will try our best and leave the rest to the Almighty. Let's see how it goes. By the grace of the Almighty, I tell you, Lipika ji, most, or I could say all the fillers which were injected onto my face, into my face, were miraculously dissolved.
Dissolved. Back to normal.
Thankfully. And my doctors suggested that next time I do not push my luck. They said, इस बार तो आप
बच
lucky
गए.
थे जो आप बच गए, लेकिन अगली बार आप ये उम्मीद मत रखो कि हर बार आप फिलर्स डलवा कर आएंगे और हर बार हम सक्सेसफुली उनको डिसॉल्व कर पाएंगे. नहीं, ऐसा हर बार नहीं होता है. सो डोंट पुश योर लक.
So,
तौबा तौबा कर लिया था मैंने.
so what do you advise the
Well, my advice
girls
to
who
the
do it?
youth across the globe would be to not take impulsive decisions when it comes to your health, to your body, to your life in general. Meet doctors, engage in consultations, find out as to what the procedures offer, find out the pros and cons, weigh the pros and cons. Agar pros zyada hain, cons kam hai, then find out if it is advisable for somebody like you with your body frame, with your height, with your weight, you know, with your medical history, to proceed with those procedures. Involve your family. Let your family also have a say in the matter. Don't say, no, it's my life, my rules. No. Your family wants the best for you, so involve them. And only then decide as to what needs to be done. If that is a must, then and only then consider going for it.
for others?
Yeah. If it's not a must, let go. ये जो हमारे दिमाग में या जहन में विशेस आते हैं कि चलो ये कर लेते हैं, चलो वो कर लेते हैं, when you do not take impulsive decisions, those wishes they tend to disappear.
Disappear. You've seen so much in life, Sherlyn, and now you're doing this show.
Yeah.
And in this, you will be discussing about relationship also.
Yes,
What
I have
are-
met.
Yeah. And who are your guests? If you
I have
like
met.
to
Yeah,
disclose.
I was about to tell you that I have met several doctors, nephrologists, gynecologists, cosmetic experts, skin specialists, and relationship experts. Yeah, and it was during my interaction with them that I realized that life is much more than Bollywood. Bollywood एक छोटा हिस्सा है हमारी जिंदगी का.
बहुत ही छोटा है.
बहुत कुछ है इस जिंदगी में एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, जानने के लिए.
Yeah, I can understand. So you are going to talk to all these intelligent lot.
Yes,
The show-
I have spoken with them, and those episodes are out. And
It's already out.
yes,
Where is it? Like.
on my YouTube channel. Yeah,
What is your YouTube channel?
it's called Real and Unapologetic.
What were the things that you had to undergo, health wise? क्या फीलिंग होती थी वो आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे क्या?
देखिए,
किस तरह की फीलिंग होती थी? Did you feel normal every day when you got up in the morning, when you slept? What kind of inner feeling did you have,
जी.
because you're a female?
Yes, I'll tell you what. All my life, I used to think that because I lead a disciplined life, because I hit the gym almost 4 times a week, मुझे कोई बीमारी नहीं हो सकती है. और जब अनहोनी होती है, जोर का झटका लगता है. I was diagnosed with total kidney failure in September 2021. और मुझे जोर का झटका लगा. मुझे लगा कैसे? How come? But I lead a healthy life. I eat healthy food. I don't smoke. क्यों कैसे कैसे? Tell me. And the nephrologist said that you know what, ऐसा होता है. He said that there is this medical disorder.
It wasn't because of the injections.
No. That's a different
Definitely.
chapter.
Chapter.
So I was diagnosed with not just kidney failure, but also with a medical disorder called SLE, autoimmune disorder. तो नेफ्रोलॉजिस्ट ने कहा कि अब क्योंकि आपको SLE है, आपको ऑर्गन फेलियर हो सकता है, आगे चलकर और भी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो सकते हैं. सो यू नीड टू बी ऑन मेडिकेशन ऑल योर लाइफ. आर यू टेकिंग एनी मेडिकेशन? I said, no. Then he said, well, to avoid further complications in life, to
yeah.
avoid further
Worsen.
organ failures in life, it is better you start taking medication to keep SLE under control. So currently, I'm on immunosuppressants, and I've got to take them all my life so as to keep SLE in a suppressed mode.
But why don't you go for Ayurvedic and homeopathic?
Well, I tried, but it didn't work.
Did you
And
take
so I
homeopathic?
chose allopathy.
Okay.
Maybe I could try again and see how it,
can try. It
how my
takes
body
little
responds to
time.
it. Yeah.
But you can always try homeopathic.
Yeah, because I know it's not good to be on medication all day, every day for the rest of your
the
life.
repercussions of those medications
Yes,
are
of
also
course. Side effects तो होते ही हैं.
effects तो होते
Yeah.
हैं. Yeah.
तो अभी डॉक्टर जो है वो टेपर कर रहे हैं मेरी मेडिकेशन को. Now, this is the health aspect of my life. Coming to the procedures which I had done in the past. कुछ फेशियल प्रोसीजर्स करवाए थे जैसे कि मैंने आपसे अभी शेयर किया, फिलर्स वगैरह वगैरह. एंड जब एहसास हुआ कि नो, नॉट लुकिंग बेटर, इनफैक्ट जो ओरिजिनल लुक था मेरा, जो कि आज मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, यही बेस्ट है मेरे
best.
लिए। या तो अब मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अपने फेस के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं करना है। हाँ, स्किन रिजुविनेशन प्रोसीजर्स, स्किन केयर रूटीन, ये सब मैं पसंद करती हूँ।
That you
स्किन
should
को
do.
हम कैसे और रिजुविनेट करें, कैसे स्किन को एकदम कैसे नेचुरल ग्लो लेकर आए स्किन पर।
Especially on the face, because
Yeah,
जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
एग्जैक्टली। सो उस तरह के प्रोसीजर्स आप करवा सकते हैं, जिसमें फेशियल होता है, जिसमें अलग अलग किस्म के सीरम्स, विटामिन्स लगाए जाते हैं आपके फेस पर। दैट इज गुड। बट ये जो आप चिन को 1 किलोमीटर लंबा करते हो,
हाँ।
नाक को चौड़ा चपटा आड़ा टेढ़ा
तीखा।
करते हो, चीक्स को पफी कर देते हो, दिस इज नॉट गुड।
It doesn't look nice होता.
या
अच्छा, तो अब सीरम वगैरह आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को कि क्या यूज करना चाहिए नेचुरल ब्यूटी के लिए, जो आप अभी कर रही हैं?
जी, फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट आई वुड से फेस पर कुछ लगाने से पहले आप अपने डाइट पर ध्यान दें। अगर आप
गट साफ रहेगा तो
एग्जैक्टली
चेहरा भी साफ
100 बातों की एक बात, यू सेड इट।
हाँ.
There is no point in applying
Serums
expensive serums and lotions on your face and simultaneously eating junk food and oily food
तो क्या
और
खाती है
unhealthy
शर्लिन?
food।
शर्लिन क्या खाती है और क्या लगाती है चेहरे पे? स्पेसिफिकली बताएं, सुबह से लेके रात तक की आपकी डाइट
जी,
और
I would
फेशियल.
love to. I love to be on a diet, and I think everybody who is a fitness lover loves to be on a diet.
Yeah.
ये डाइट क्या होता है? फिगर आउट कि आपको भूख कब लगती है। सुबह उठते ही भूख लगती है, या सुबह उठने के 2-3 घंटे बाद भूख लगती है? कब भूख लगती है? In my case, I prefer eating the first meal of the day around 2 or 3 p.m.
In the noon.
या तब तक मुझे भूख नहीं लगती है।
That's not good.
नहीं, in the morning after waking up, I like to have lemon water with honey.
Then it's okay. You have something. Yeah.
Yeah, and उसके बाद I like to have black tea, and I go for my workout. Workout करने के बाद I like to have my protein shake, which is made with
that's more than
whey
enough.
protein and almond milk, और उसमें chia seeds भी होते हैं, कुछ dry fruits भी होते हैं। तो वो खाने के बाद, वो पीने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि अब आराम से खाते हैं, कोई रश नहीं है।
That's
So around 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m., 4 p.m, I like to have a nice healthy salad.
Wow.
And वो salad मैं खुद बनाती हूँ, order नहीं करती हूँ online. I use onions, avocado, tomatoes, and cucumber, and lettuce, and green olives, black olives, ये सब mix करके, and कभी कभी boiled chicken अच्छे से एक बढ़िया salad बनाती हूँ अपने लिए, and I love to dig in.
वाह, मेरे मुंह
Yeah.
में पानी आ गया भैया.
बना कर दूंगी मैं आपको.
So nice.
अब एक हेल्दी सैलड एक होलसम मील की तरह होता है मेरे लिए.
बिल्कुल.
तो एक हेल्दी सैलड खाने के बाद आप तुरंत उसके 1 घंटे बाद, 2 घंटे बाद कुछ नहीं खाना चाहेंगे. सो माई नेक्स्ट मील इज अराउंड 6:30 or 7 p.m. and that's my last meal of the day.
Yeah. That's
So,
very good.
Yeah, I prefer either fish or chicken with some vegetables, a bowl of dal, maybe a little brown rice, and roti,
Yeah.
agar roti khane ka man ho to. And most definitely a huge portion of salad on my plate.
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah, so
A healthy diet.
That's my diet every day.
Very
Now, when I know that I am consuming healthy food, I can invest in expensive serums if need be for the rejuvenation of my skin, for natural glow on my skin. So that's when I get online and do a proper research. कौन से products available हैं for combination skin, dry and oily, और कौन से products में less chemicals हैं, कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स मेरी स्किन टाइप को सूट करते हैं, compatible हैं मेरे लिए. सो इस तरह की रिसर्च करने के बाद आप डिसीजन लीजिए कि आपके लिए क्या बेस्ट वर्क करता है. मतलब माइंडलेसली क्योंकि ये यूज कर रहे हैं चलो मैं भी यूज करती हूँ, क्योंकि वो यूज कर रहे हैं चलो हम भी यूज करते हैं, ऐसे नहीं चलता है.
Correct. So now coming to your, filmy journey,
या
how did it help you? You know, all these things that you've done, did it help you? And what are you doing right now? You know, how are you progressing in your filmy ventures?
जी. There was a time when I was okay with being typecast. Hot babe, sexy bikini body. चलो इनको अप्रोच करते हैं कुछ आइटम सॉन्ग्स के लिए, बोल्ड सीन्स के लिए. हालांकि मैंने अपनी हर फिल्म में लीडिंग लेडी की ही भूमिका निभाई है, लेकिन अब क्योंकि एक हॉट बेब की
Image.
छवि बनी थी, फिल्म मेकर्स एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हम बोल्ड सीन्स करें ऑन कैमरा. अब मेरा सवाल ये होता है कि अगर रिक्वायरमेंट हो तो बात अलग है, लेकिन रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं हो तो आप ज़बरदस्ती क्यों हॉट सीन्स फिल्म करना चाह रहे हैं अपनी फिल्म के लिए. नहीं 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 नहीं, यू डोंट नो, ये सब बिकता है. कम ऑन मैन, बिकता है तो आप बेचेंगे, ये क्या फंडा है.
So you don't give them, you don't lend them your ears.
I have now decided to work with intelligent filmmakers. अगर आप मुझे कन्विंस कर सकते हैं कि ये बोल्ड सीन्स आपके फिल्म की नैरेटिव में क्यों है, ठीक है, मैं कन्विंस हो जाऊंगी. लेकिन आप अगर कन्विंस नहीं कर सकते हैं, then I will convince you as to why those scenes should not be a part of your film. Either you convince me or get convinced by me.
But you're open to do item numbers. There's no harm in doing
देखिए,
item numbers.
Absolutely not. लेकिन अगर आपके जो बोल हैं, आपके गाने के जो बोल हैं बहुत ही वल्गर हैं, अश्लील हैं, और आपके जो कॉस्ट्यूम्स हैं वो बहुत ही भद्दे हैं, वल्गर हैं, तो मैं नहीं करना चाहूँगी. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे वल्गैरिटी के साथ नहीं जुड़ना है. आई लव एक्सेलेंस, आई लव ब्रिलियंस, आई लव मैग्निफिसेंस. तो ये चीज़ें आप लेकर आओ अपने सॉन्ग में. आप एक्सेलेंस को लेकर आओ, ब्रिलियंस को लेकर आओ. लेकिन नहीं, आपको लगता है कि ये सब बिकता नहीं है. क्यों नहीं बिकेगा? पीपल लव दैट विच फील्स लाइक वाव. करेक्ट.
Exactly.
वल्गैरिटी को देखकर कभी आपके मुंह से वाव निकलता है? वाव, कितना वल्गर है, वाव.
नो, वल्गर लोग बोलेंगे, सिर्फ वल्गर लोग बोलेंगे. So how are you going about in search, in craving of excellence, par excellence, and minus vulgarity? How are you going about, and what are your future prospects on par with excellence? Have you got something?
Yes,
have you come
a
across
few-
good people? South के लोगों के पास गई कभी,
Yes,
काम
yes.
किया आपने?
Currently, I have a few music videos in the pipeline. Hopefully, very soon, in a month,
Wow.
they will be released. I am in talks with the country's biggest record label
Uh-huh.
to
Present.
present. Yes, bingo.
Bangalore.
To release my music videos,
Uh-huh.
which have been shot in a very grand manner on a very grand scale.
Wow. Who was the director?
I myself.
Arey wow.
Yes.
So this will be a directorial venture.
Yes.
Oh, breaking news for me.
Yes, absolutely.
What is the video all about? Wow.
It's a music video, and I just wanted to.
Is it based on some romantic love story? What is the
It's a
content?
mass number.
Oh, Marcy
Yeah.
Sells.
Yes.
Marcy
Yes.
Sells. Marcy Sells.
And I have presented myself with grace, elegance,
Very
and
good. Very good.
in a manner which comes across as acceptable, nothing over the top. And besides doing music videos, I have also invested my time, efforts, my energy into my talk show,
Yeah.
Real and Unapologetic.
How
Also,
many series are completed and how many more to go?
by the grace of the Almighty, I have so far shot 8 episodes, out of which 6 have released.
Wow.
And the plan is to shoot another 12
Mm-hmm.
before the completion of this year. 20 episodes for this year, and देखते हैं season 2 के बारे में.
Okay, season 2 also. But don't you
Yes.
want to catch hold of some celebrities
Yes.
from the Bollywood industry? Who are you targeting?
I have approached some celebs. उन्हें लगता है कि मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में क्या ही बात करें.
क्यों? दीपिका ने कितनी बात की है
Exactly,
mental health के बारे
exactly.
में,
Yeah.
डिप्रेशन के बारे
Yeah.
में. आजकल तो हर किसी को डिप्रेशन हो रहा है.
देखिए,
हाँ.
तो वो कहते हैं कि कुछ चटपटा आप हमसे पूछो. अब देखिए, मुझे ज़रा भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं है कि कौन किसके साथ रिलेशनशिप में है, कौन किसका क्या बॉडी काउंट है, कौन किसके साथ अफेयर कर रहा है. मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. और ये जानकारी प्राप्त करके दर्शक पहले से बेहतर कैसे हो पाएगी
करेक्ट
ना.
Yeah.
तो आप दर्शकों को ऐसी जानकारी दो जिसके चलते वो मेंटली और स्टेबल हो सकें और बेहतर हो सकें, फिजिकली और हेल्दी हो सकें. लेकिन गॉसिप देने से क्या होता है?
कुछ नहीं.
नथिंग. तो मैंने एक चीज
You
बहुत
want
ही
to make this society a better place.
I want to make my surroundings better. I want to see to it that I contribute towards making this society much more meaningful, soulful, and I would say spiritual.
So वो जो बीच में आप नेगेटिविटी को जवाब दे रहे थे और वो कर रहे थे, उस फेज को अब कैसा देखते हो आप? और अगर आपके सामने वापस वो नेगेटिविटी आई कि आप पुलिस स्टेशंस में भी खड़े हो जाती थी, आप काफी जो कोई भी कुछ बोलता था तो आप उनको जवाब देती थी, तो उस फेज को कैसे देख रही है और उसको अभी ओवरलुक कैसे कर रही है?
देखिए, पहले मैं बहुत ज्यादा रिएक्ट करती थी. अब मुझे लगता है कि not every battle is to be fought, not every battle is to be taken seriously, not every accusation is to be taken personally. आप ये देखो कि जो हमें एक्यूज कर रहा है वो कौन है, वो किस राज्य का राजा है या किस राज्य की रानी है, कौन है वो?
नाम लेना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, मैं कह रही हूँ कि अगर फलाना शहर के सीएम कोई आरोप लगाते हैं तो बेशक आप अपनी टिप्पणी रख सकते हैं. लेकिन हर एरा गैरा, हर टॉम डिक हैरी आपको किसी ना किसी चीज़ के लिए अक्यूज़ करता है और आपके खिलाफ कोई अभद्र टिप्पणी करता है, तो आप सफाई देने के लिए मीडिया को बुलाओगे? ये देखो उसने ऐसा कहा, ये गलत है. अरे बाबा, कौन है वो? कौन है वो?
Are you repenting?
I feel I could have done better had I been more aware of how the universe works. पहले मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि ये जो ब्रह्मांड है इसके लॉज क्या हैं. देखिए, चाहे मैथमेटिक्स हो, फिजिक्स हो, बायोलॉजी हो, हर सब्जेक्ट में लॉज होते हैं. उसी तरह इस ब्रह्मांड में, इस यूनिवर्स में लॉज हैं. द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन.
Newton's law.
The more I think about something negative, the more I attract it. उसने ऐसा क्यों बोला, उसने ऐसा क्यों किया, उसकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई, वो खुद को समझता क्या है? What am I thinking about and where am I investing my attention? Into what am I investing my attention? देखो, why do we say pay attention here? Why do we say pay attention? क्योंकि वो एक करेंसी होती है. Correct? You pay attention. So what am I paying attention to? Negativity?
Stupidity.
Oh, great.
Stupidity.
Stupidity. Oh, great. So, what am I telling the universe? I want more of it. Give me more of it.
She is amending, Sherlyn is amending her ways. She's going far from stupid people. She doesn't want to be closer to them. Silence is the best medicine for her, and
Absolutely.
ignorance is bliss. She'll give them a deaf ear and a what?
I would say हर किसी को आईना दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, जो लोग बीमार हैं उनको बीमार रहने दो. जिस दिन वो आपके पास आएंगे, बोलेंगे हमें ठीक होना है, हमारा इलाज कर दो, then and only then you show them the mirror.
Okay, on a concluding note, Sherlyn has also donned the hat of director.
Yes.
Yes. So hereafter, will you be directing a film? What would you like to
Yes.
say?
देखिए, अब क्योंकि इतना सब कुछ बदल गया है मेरी ज़िंदगी में, मुझे लगता है मैं इवॉल्व हो रही हूँ हर दिन, हर पल. आई फील it is now time that I start taking up projects, not just as an actor, but also as a director, also as a producer. मुझे अब एक पपेट नहीं बनना है. मतलब पहले शायद मैं पपेट हुआ करती थी, लेकिन अब पपेट नहीं बनना है. अब अगर फिल्म मेकर्स आते हैं मेरे पास प्रोजेक्ट्स लेकर, प्रपोजल्स लेकर, आई वुड वांट टू नो एज टू हाउ I could add value to their projects. And if their projects do not align with my values, there is absolutely no point in associating with them, no point in, joining hands with them. So it's very important for me as to whether or not the people whom I associate with or choose to associate with have the same values and principles
We will.
that I have. Do we have shared values? Do we have shared principles? Are we a good match? Do we have good compatibility? If no, then there is no point in working together.
Last but not the least, everybody would like to know that you're such a beautiful, girl, such a, marriageable age, yet single. What is keeping you single? You don't believe in even in live-in relation?
Live-in relationships, not much. I believe in marriage, and I would love to get married someday.
You're
I'm
single
ready
now.
for it. I'm ready for it. Yeah, of course.
Why so?
I'm single, and
People must have approached you.
for
Such a
marriage.
Yeah, boys must have approached you. Why
Well,
are you keeping yourself away?
the people whom I had come into contact with in the past wanted to get married to me, not out of great love for me, but to, to change me. I mean, ऐसे 2-3 एग्जाम्पल्स मैं दे सकती हूँ जहाँ पर बंदों ने कहा कि चलो ठीक है, आप सेलिब्रिटी हैं, आप फलाना हैं, ये हैं, वो हैं, एक काम करो, आप ये करना छोड़ दो, ये करना छोड़ दो, ये करना छोड़ दो, और फिर we can
Get married.
see what lies ahead in store for us. तो मेरे ख्याल से मैरिज एक बिजनेस प्रपोजल नहीं हो सकता है.
Understanding.
पहले आप दोस्त बनो ना, एंड हो सकता है कि आपकी संगत में रहकर मैं और भी बेहतर बन जाऊं, लेकिन नहीं, आपको दोस्ती नहीं करनी है, आपको बस एक प्रपोजल रखना है मेरे सामने. तो मुझे ये सब मंजूर नहीं है. एंड आई बिलीव दैट व्हेन द टाइम इज राइट आई विल गेट मैरिड, और किसी ऐसे शख्स से who would be very matured and who would understand my journey. पहले मैं क्या थी, अब मैं क्या हूँ. एक स्मोकर हुआ करती थी मैं.
I know.
You know? अच्छा, मुझे नहीं मालूम था that you know.
You had discussed with me.
Okay. So there was a time when I used to smoke, when I used to drink, when I used to be influenced by external validation, when I used to live just so to please people. I was a huge people pleaser. एंड खुद पर काम करते 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 आज मैं इस मुकाम पर पहुंची हूँ कि मैं अब समझने लगी हूँ कि ऑथेंटिसिटी क्या है एंड इंटेग्रिटी क्या है. एंड ये जो हम वैलिडेशन ढूंढते रहते हैं इसमें उसमें चीज़ों में, ये हमारे अंदर होती है. वी जस्ट नीड टू become more and more aware of who we are, what we are, where we are in life, and to become more aware of the divinity inside of us, we need to become spiritual. How does one get spiritual? How does one become spiritual? You can start with meditation.
Sherlyn, it's never too late.
Yeah.
And it's good that you have realized, and people should follow your footsteps, especially after seeing your show.
Yeah,
That
there was a
will
time when I
also-
was a church going kid. I used to go to the church maybe thrice a week. I was a hardcore Christian. Yeah. And आज मैं खुद से पूछती हूँ कि क्या बदला? यानी क्या लॉर्ड जीसस बदल गए? नहीं ना, वो तो वही हैं जो वो पहले थे. तो बदला क्या? मैं बदल गई थी, मेरे बिलीव्स बदल गए थे. और अब जब मैं वापस एक स्पिरिचुअल पाथ पर आई हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि लाइफ इज नॉट एज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एज वी मेक इट आउट टू बी. इट इज एक्चुअली वेरी सिंपल.
Hereafter, Charlotte is going to lead a life full of simplicity.
Amen to that.
Amen. Anything else on a concluding note?
Yes.
before we finish?
Before we sign off, I would like the youth to spend more time with themselves. आज हम देखते हैं कि हम तन्हाई से बहुत ज़्यादा अनकंफर्टेबल फील करते हैं, अकेलेपन से अनकंफर्टेबल फील करते हैं, और हमें कोई ना कोई चाहिए, a friend or a companion या हमारा सेल फोन. तो मैं बस ये कहना चाह रही हूँ कि हर दिन 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 15-20 मिनट के लिए आप एकांत में बैठकर देखिए. कहते हैं कि the way to tap into the super consciousness, the higher consciousness, is through stillness, through solitude. 24 घंटे बग 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 रील स्क्रोलिंग, ये देख लिया, वो देख लिया, नोटिफिकेशंस, ये वो ये. इनफ. Take a break. Go into silence. Not forever, for just 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, that's it. And then you can catch up on all your notifications and the reels, on social media. बस 5-10 मिनट के लिए आप एकांत में बैठकर देखिए, हजारों थॉट्स आपके जहन में आएंगे. इसको ये बोलना है, उसको वो करना है, ये ईमेल भेजना है, blah 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 blah, हजार चीजें. Just let those thoughts come and go, and then maybe after 2 or 3 minutes you will experience total calmness.
Calmness is a must.
Yeah, and that is the way you regulate your nervous system, which is very important. So मुझे लगता है कि ये जो माया है इस शहर में, मुंबई शहर में, इस मोह माया के जाल में आप आसानी से फंस सकते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पर रहकर अगर आपको स्पिरिचुअल बने रहना है, then you have to start spending time alone by yourself, at least for 5 minutes a day, at least for 10 minutes a day, and then you will become centered. आपको समझ में आएगा कि आपके बाउंड्रीज क्या हैं, आपको क्या पसंद है, क्या नापसंद है, आपको क्या एक्सेप्टेबल लगता है, क्या अनएक्सेप्टेबल लगता है. Then you don't have to be a people pleaser. You can lead your life with authenticity. मैं ऐसी हूँ, मेरा बस्ट साइज यही है और यही रहेगा. आपको कोई दिक्कत है, आप कहीं और जाइए. मेरा फेस ऐसा ही है और ऐसा ही रहेगा, आपको कोई दिक्कत है आप कहीं और जाइए, ये मेरे बाउंड्रीज हैं, आप इन्हें रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, आपको कोई दिक्कत है आप कहीं और जाइए, ये मेरा मी टाइम है, आई नीड टू बी लेफ्ट अलोन फॉर सम टाइम एवरी डे, इफ यू कैन नॉट लीव मी अलोन, go somewhere else. So then, you become more and more authentic. आपको लगेगा कि हाँ ये मैं हूँ, I will own it.
Yeah, of course.
No, and that's very important.
Very
वरना
important.
oh my god, लोग
खो जाओगे भीड़ में।
yeah exactly. लोग आपको इतना परेशान करेंगे, थोड़ा ये कर दो, थोड़ा वो कर दो, थोड़ी ऐसी बन जाओ, थोड़ी वैसी बन जाओ, थोड़ा सा नाक शार्प कर लो, थोड़ा सा चिन और चिजल कर लो, थोड़ा सा ये थोड़ा सा वो, आप पागल हो जाओगे।
Anyway, आप वापस स्थिरता पे आएंगे। All the best. God bless you.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
so happy to meet you this time. You are a changed person. And
Thank
I
you.
hope you continue,
Yes.
Life is not short. Whatever we have, life is your own.
Absolutely.
You have to own it.
Own it.
You
Yeah.
have to own it. You don't have to bother about people. Society, we are society animals. But we don't have to bother what society says.
Yes,
You have
and
to live on your terms and conditions.
yes, and I look up to you
Yeah.
as an idol, because as my idol, because
So
you
nice.
you happen to be a cancer survivor.
I know.
And,
Warrior.
Yeah, a cancer survivor warrior. And there
And
is
a
so
big-
much,
yeah.
there is so much to learn
There's
from
so
you.
much. You have to go on and on. Thank you
So
so much.
I would love to invite you to my talk show, and
Of course.
yeah,
Yeah.
and
Definitely, I'll
know
come.
a lot about your journey, your struggle.
Very good.